ozone water versus alcohol-based. Ozone water, the method that you can use in so many applications, even on your hands. 8 to 10 months ago, when we were trying to promote our ozone water disinfectant to a lot of people, they say, why do I need to spend that much money to buy a bottle like this? So if I just spend 10, 15 ringgit, I can get a bottle of alcohol to spray on my hands, right? But after 8 to 10 months, these people are telling us that, oh no, now my palm, my skins are dry, and then it's causing a lot of itchiness in my skin because of overusing the sanitizer or overusing the alcohol. So now we know that this is not the long term, right? We're not going to spray alcohol on our kids every day. Now the schools will restart. We cannot be spraying on their hands every day. So I think with having our ozone system at the school, the kids just simply wash their hands with our ozonated water, which does not irritate their skin.
Yeah. So that's why, because for long we are using alcohol like every day, pumping this alcohol sanitizer on our hands, right? Every day, so many times.
Correct. But now we are only saying you are actually washing you are pumping that on your hands. But what about your face?
Yeah.
Right? So like the spray bottle that we have, not only on your hands, we can even spray on our face, in your car. So there's so much places that you can actually spray with that I believe that this you cannot do it with alcohol. Yeah.
Mr. Loh, there's one question I'll just like to pop up from the audience. If you have any question, feel free to drop at the comment box. All right. Question is, can it apply on an infant's skin? I mean, your ozone water from Yap Hands.
Yeah, very good question from Hans. Thank you for reminding me on that. Definitely you can. If you spray our ozone water on the infant skin or even on your own hands, you will notice after it's dried out, you'll feel that your hands is smoother. The reason why you feel your hand is smoother is because you left with one layer of oxygen on the surface of your skin. So you actually feel smoother. You don't feel dry. So that's why it's very, very safe to be used even on an infant.
Okay. We have Datuk Sri Nelson. Hello. Thank you for coming in, Datuk Sri Nelson.
Hi, Datuk Sri.
And also, Angie said, agree, I always used to spray on my face too. Yeah, Angie. All right. Okay, Mr. Loh, you can proceed. Yes.
Yes. Of course, there's also another thing which is chlorine-based. I think our Malaysian tap water, in a way, we are very safe because our Malaysian water is protected by chlorine. So our tap water is full of chlorine. So you can basically use your tap water to do disinfection. But however, it's still not as effective compared to ozone. Ozone is scientifically proven that it's 3,000 times faster in terms of oxidation. So it's able to oxidize something 3,000 times faster than chlorine. And also it's 50 times stronger in terms of the oxidation performance. And we know that we also wash our vegetables. We buy organic vegetables, right? And then we bring home.
Correct.
We put in the tap water. We start washing our organic vegetable with tap water. So what you're adding inside your vegetable, you're adding chlorine inside your organic vegetable. Yeah. So the vegetable will absorb chlorine into. So if you're gonna eat salad, so not cooking your vegetable, I won't suggest you using tap water to wash your vegetable. So as far as ozone is concerned, you can, because ozone water, you actually removes the pesticide in the vegetable, and what is left over is oxygen. So that's why there's no residue left in the vegetables that you're going to eat.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Loh, there's one question over here. You like to take this question? Let me show this question up. All right. So from Heng, Why does ozone water only last mostly about 30 minutes after it's being generated? Anything to prolong the ozone lifespan, right? Why does it only last about 30 minutes after it's being generated? Technical question over here. Mr. Loh? Yeah.
Yep. Well, it's a very good question. Well, scientifically, this is how ozone works. Like I mentioned earlier on, the third molecule of the ozone, which is the oxygen molecule, is actually a weak bond. So this weak bond will actually split off from the ozone. So the third oxygen molecule on the ozone will split and merge with another of the oxygen the weak bond molecule, oxygen molecule, and become oxygen again. So theoretically speaking, if you put a glass of ozone water for half an hour, what it has become is actually oxygen water.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So it actually oxidizes itself, because oxidation has to be fast. That's why we say ozone is 3,000 times faster, because it oxidizes. So when something oxidizes, it will oxidize itself also. So that's why there's no way you can actually prolong ozone from being oxidizing. Yeah. So this is how Mother Nature works.
Okay, good answer there. So
And
Mr.
also this is
Heng,
science.
science, backed by science.